This election is totally rigged.
Oh, it's Popcaan. Y'all want to talk about Popcaan?
Oh. Box cover, this is Dutty Berry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. So thank you for all of the support on my recent videos. You can go swipe right up here so and check them out. But in the meantime, we have some topics and some baga excitement this week, but we can still get it through. Okay, so let's get into the top 10 countdown.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them sort me out what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Sip Toots. Wow, so the whole entire music industry is mourning the death of iconic reggae singer Freddie Toots Hibbert. He passed away recently after suffering from some complications due to the coronavirus. No, he died at the age of 77, and me one of them people there where, you know, I wasn't lucky enough to get to witness his performance live, but I was able to just like see him over the years, and I recognized that, yo, he's a very powerful performer. His voice is like a little impact there like it do normal. And
I've got dreams.
And I remember watching, what's a movie name with Jimmy Cliff, The Harder They Come, and they have him seen in there, him did a go with himself. And up till a few weeks ago, he was actually one of the finalists in the festival song competition for 2020.
We have all got a steep room. We should live.
And so I'm sure this news come quite as a shocker because him seemed like he did healthy, he did very strong and active, you know, in usual Toot style. But let me just read what the Big Bad Rolling Stone magazine had to say about this iconic reggae performer. Alright, so they said that Toots Hibbert wasn't just a pioneer and key popularizer of Jamaican music. He was also an essential bridge between the worlds of ska, rocksteady, reggae, and the great American R&B tradition. His vocal delivery, raspy yet gorgeously supple, was a poignant way of writing. It placed him firmly in the tradition of legends like Ray Charles, Sam Cooke, and contemporaries like Otis Redding. Wow. And so that's a big statement coming from Rolling Stone magazine. And so if you do not know the legend that Toots Hibbert is, please take a little time, take some time in the week for just go Google him, go research, YouTube him, go on Apple Music, wherever you need to go, so that you can, you know, keep up with this man's awesome catalog. Alright, so let me know how you reacted once you found out the news about Toots passing. Sound off below. Number 9, Sean Paul TikTok, the broomstick. Alright, so I saw this video recently now, and you know, it was actually on Twitter, with this brother kinda imagining what Sean Paul would bring to the Shape of You remix. I'm not gonna lie, the brother fully nailed it. Pre. No, when you think about it, you know, there's something about Sean Paul, like, you gotta hear the bang, you gotta hear them because something there. It's Sean Paul! You gotta hear them because ad-libs there during the chorus. It's just the Sean Paul way. But let me know, burritos, what you thought of this video. Sound off.
Call it love and devotion.
Commercial time! Woo! Alright, so burritos, wanna know me lazy. Like, I love to work, you know, only when it pertains to like social media stuff. But you see the other little things them, like the other adulting things them, if I can avoid doing it, I will try to. Okay?
Trust me.
Worse with the whole corona thing on the rise, if me personally don't have to leave my yard, then I won't want to hard do it.
You serious?
Imagine, you're there in your yard, you're looking at your fridge, you realize that G's and P, me need some of my little groceries them, me need some little food stuff, me need something for cook up later, but you just cannot bother to hard take up yourself and travel all the way for go at supermarket, go baga in the line and mix and mingle with all kind of people where you know where them are come from. Then all you have to do is to just contact TK Delivery Services. Them have the best customer service and they'll make everything nice, simple and easy for you, hassle free. Okay? All you have to do, you know, is to just go to www.tkdeliveryservices.com, sign up, place in your grocery list, and it is simple and easy. From that, they will take it to you. Or you can go and WhatsApp them at this number right here, so, and them take debit, credit card, cash, everything. Okay? Except from trust. Don't try to trust the people them. Yes, so that is visit. So make sure say you go and link TK Delivery Services right now. Tell them say Dr. Berry send you, and you can just relax, sit back, enjoy the rest of the countdown while your grocery list gets to you. Bye-bye. Number 8, Jamaican accent challenge. I can't selfish. Alright, so this is a feature on TikTok now for the accent challenge, where somebody gives a sentence and the person have to translate it in the native tongue. See? And so this mother and son decided to do the Jamaican accent challenge.
Doing the Jamaican accent challenge with my mother, so let's get into it. Yo, what's up, bro?
What, brother? What you say?
Yo, you talk way too much.
How you chat so much?
Can I have some candy?
You want a sweetie?
Yo, hurry up.
Me case no man.
Yo, this sucks.
Chobomba clot.
Life for part 2.
But boy, I'm not gonna lie for you, a woman who look like she could pass as Caucasian. That is not just Jamaican tongue, that is very native. Like the woman got on in her deep basilic, like something about that you cannot tell say a country she born and grow. Like she know for scrupsy and all of these things. So let me know what you thought about this video reader sound off below. And have you ever met a white Jamaican? Number 7, Royal Wine. My waistline. Alright, so boy, this video I don't even know if I can put it on my countdown without YouTube try to flag my video, but let's just see how best we can blur it and get away with it. But anyhow, so you know, so on Instagram there is this Caribbean dancer by the name of Royal.G. I think I saw it. Am I getting the name correctly? But anywho, alright, so recently she posted a video to dance into the collaboration between Popcaan and Drake called Twist and Turn. And when me tell you said that is exactly what her waistline was doing. Oh wow! Okay. You know, one of the things that no, this takes skill, this take craft, this take a certain level of like what you call it, like control. No, look upon this. You know, at this moment, I don't know why I'm going to create so much excitement, because you see what I know the Berridas them where I watch this right now, like them can do this in them sleep. It's not difficult this. I don't know what them can do. Me, I bet you any amount of money right now say the Berridas, the ladies watching this right now can do this with them eyes closed. Them can do this like all when them upside down. And I know I am correct. I know what them going to do. They're going to show themselves dancing to this and tag me so I can put them in the next countdown, because that is what they will hard do. Okay, but anyway, Berridas, let me know what you thought about this video and what you think about her dancing skills. Sound off. Number 6, cement teeth. So Pre the brother here and the cement teeth them. Pre.
This is the garbage that you have been doing all along, Virgin. You take up my cement, man. Take it up. Take it up and put on my truck, man. Take it up. Imagine how me feed, you know, and deal, you know. Put on my cement on the truck, man. Put it on back, man. Come in and get myself in a trouble, man.
Honestly, him better than me. Like, me not understand. Like, boy, me just, When it's a Berridas, what would I do? What really would I do? Somebody where you employ just come and work for you and teeth for your things. You know, who me hear bad pan them something, yeah? Me hear say help I do this, whole heap. Like when people get the babysitter them and the help of them no run for come at the people them yard and teeth them things. But you never hear that from me. Peace out. Number 5, cabinet ministers. Me portfolio. Alright, so you don't know say Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, he was recently sworn in, and so now a time for him appoint the cabinet ministers. So I was very excited, I guess, for kind of see who he would put in his cabinet. And it's okay. I don't really have no major issue. So let me just give it a list. So, alright, so Andrew Holness, Prime Minister, Minister of Defense, Economic Growth and Job Creation. And that him take for himself. Then you have Dr. Horace Anthony Chang. He's the Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of National Security. Then you have third, Dr. Nigel Clark. He is Finance and Public Service. You have Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith. She is the Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Minister. You have Dr. Christopher Tufton. He is, you know, him get back him in portfolio, health and wellness. Desmond McKenzie, him is local government and rural development. Olivia Grange, culture, gender, entertainment and sport. Edmund Bartlett, tourism. Robert Montague, Transport and Mining. Favour Williams, she is now the new Minister of Education, Youth and Information. Delroy Truck, Ima Justice. Darrell Vaz is Energy, Science and Technology. Carl Samuda, Labour and Social Security. Floyd Green, Agriculture and Fisheries. Now this is a round of applause. Like, I don't me really get appointed, but I feel very happy to see Floyd Green in this capacity. Adley Shaw, Industry, Investment and Commerce. Perennial Charge Jr., Housing, Urban Renewal, Environment and Climate Change. Now that is nice. I have the state ministers them. Juliet Cuthbert Flynn, now she is one of the state ministers in Ministry of Health and Wellness. So that should be interesting. Orlando Terrelong gets Culture, Gender and Entertainment and Sport. And Robert Morgan gets Youth and Information. So I mean, you have some young people in there and I'm kind of glad to see it. I don't really have any problem. It's just that some shockers kind of there. But like, I'm very curious to see Favour. Like, I'm really, really curious. Like, you know, it really piqued my curiosity. It's just like when you make a certain move and nobody can understand it from the start, but you know, so there is a method to the madness. That's all I have to say. But let me know, Burritos, what do you think about the appointment of these ministers? Anybody in particular you never likes to get selected? Let me know in the comment section, okay? Number 4, Popcaan Canadian. So recently now on this podcast now, this young lady decided to say this about Popcaan.
Okay, who else? Popcaan. Y'all want to talk about Popcaan?
Who the f is Popcaan? He's a Canadian rapper. So he's like Drake?
Yes, I love you too.
Is he signed to OVO? Yeah, I think he's signed to OVO.
I don't know, but let me tell you something. You played me trying to act like you was going with that other bitch, and you know you want this squirt.
Yes, you need a trouble leader. Yeah, trouble leader, boy.
No, you know what? Let me just let me just not act shocked, because everybody really study the levels of music. You know, we in the Caribbean, so we know where Popcaan come from. Some people will only look at Popcaan as the person who run back at Drake. And for them, they're just going to work with say, yo, if Drake is Canadian, then clearly Popcaan must be Canadian as well. Especially with the whole entire fact that there is a big Jamaican community in Toronto and the rest of Canada. So like, it wouldn't be shocking to see somebody with a Jamaican vibe, you know, being around Drake. So this is what Popcaan had to say about it.
Only just wake up and fresh, so though. By the way, peace up, mouth girl. What she a call man? Yeah? Real authentic yard man this. You palm good. You better move.
And let me know what you thought about this and these girls. And I hope you never listened to the part about Odell Beckham Jr. because that was just, yeah, that was just really crappy. Number 3, Mitchell Craziness. You know what? Like, I just think that everybody just needs to be a part of the MTM family right now because they are just burning up road. At this point in time, I think they are probably Jamaica's most loved couple at the moment. So recently, now, I guess in one of their recent videos, Tommy and Wayne sat down to have a conversation and began to talk about
Our fast it will always catch.
Oh, you know that already. You know this are wood, they are always ready for fire.
Win.
Wood,
family,
ready for fire.
Family channel.
Wood and fire. Wood, fire.
No, this should not come as any surprise because we know that Wayne Marshall is the king of puns. He is the king of playing on words because we all know about the songs like
I just my good old wife. I just my good old wife. She alone.
And
we make them come. Everywhere we go in here, we make them come.
yeah, it's just a bunch of them. So we just know so Wayne is up with the mess when it comes to these things. And that wasn't the only time that they decided to just like give each other trouble. You know, on their recent dates, on a recent drive, they were, you know, like making a little stop now. And I guess Tommy Chin noticed a woman with a very blessed posterior. And
imagine trying to keep him in online and anyway.
No, I don't think that would work with
no.
us. Not at this age.
Wow, look at her bottom. That is impressive.
I agree. I like big butt.
And I cannot lie. Can't deny.
When a girl walks in
With a little bit of waist and a big thing in your face, you get sprung.
wrong thing in your face, don't do that. You.
Don't sprung.
Don't sprung.
no, honestly, like how people can love them? How can you not love these couples? Like you have people who just there, just for their sake, and they have people who really are each other's friend, and them just end up a saka at the end of the night. But really and truly, they have a love that is really just like their best friends, and so it's just really nice to see. But anyway, burritos, what do you think about these videos? sound off below. Number 2, Chung recount. My breadfruit case. You know, I really do not want to say like, you know, Mr. Rohan Chungs has a little, you know, like cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. But like, I just think that at this point in time, the brother is just entertainment. And so, you know, recently he did try to go up against Bunting and Rhoda in central Manchester, I think. And he came away with just probably like 49 votes. And so the brother feel like, so yo, the thing was rigged. And then I try to go against him. And he is actually demanding a recount.
Hi, this election is totally rigged. It's a totally fake. It is rigged. It is a scam, people. This election is totally a scam. I'm being attacked by everybody for talking the truth. It is rigged. It is a rigged election, people.
So I don't know, Maridos, like, what should we do with Rohan Chungs at this moment? Should we just like put him in the same category with like Amari and L.A. Lewis? Or should we just, you know, like maybe Rohan is just a genius and the rest of it just late to the party? Sound off below because me I try to understand.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Well done. Look how the girls them sexy and young. Run club. Sing along. Well then, pick up your friend.
Alright, so I have to go and big up King Candy and Jesse Royal on their pregnancy. I guess them gone social media official now because they posted the picture together with him and Ogapar Billion, all of these things. So, you know, big up to the happy couple. Also have to go and big up Terry Carell. No, recently she had what we could call it like a last minute beach cleanup because she was, you know, passing an area where she did a shoot for Rising Stars and she realized the one bag of dirt and plastic buckle and all of the things and she was just like, no, it not rest good on her chest and she needed to do something about it. So she just like mentioned it on her page and in a matter of, you know, hours, she was out there getting the job done. So kudos to you, Terry. You know, also I'm going to have to go say, you know, my condolences out to Beanie Man. No, the artist recently lost his mother. She passed away, and so just know say it cannot be an easy time for, you know, King Beanie, and so just I hope, you know, him get as much strength and as much encouragement at this time.
Hey guys, you don't know, say it's a girl Shenseea and you're watching Dirty Berry social media countdown. Keep it locked.
And number 1 goes to the lighter challenge. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number 1 goes to the lighter challenge. Now, Shenseea and Tarrus Riley teamed up for this very spectacular collaboration. Like the song sound nice, it actually don't sound local. It sounds very international. It just connect in every single way, you get me? And so, you know, for funny though, a lot of people actually think it's a Shenseea song when it is really Tarrus Riley song featuring Shenseea. But just the way how the song sound good and the chorus just shot, is like, it is very understandable. But anyhow, so the song go on good. The only thing I don't like about the song is that it's too short. Like by the time you get into the song done. Like, what kind of song this? You make me feel. Hope that in time they will release like an extended version, like at least a 4 minute 30 seconds. We can work with that, okay? But anyhow, so to kind of promote the song, they decided to come up with this lighter challenge, and boy, I think everybody and them brother have been entering.
Fire up your lighter, float up like the wind. You make me feel like. And when the bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighter.
Makes me feel lighter. Makes me feel when I'm hey.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter.
You know, and not to be outdone, but they kind of run into because when they wake up one morning and the song in my head and me decide say after nobody no more than me are going to hate her.
Alright, so the song go. Baby, when the bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighter, go on with the wave. You make me feel late.
Yeah man, so that is it for some of the people who entered the lighter challenge. And all me have to know is that the song really sound good for true. I like the music video. I like Tarrus Riley showing once again a different side to him. And if you really see on you know that Tarrus Riley are big artists in a reggae and dancehall. Like think about it, like you know see him every week. But when the man just like drop a song, it always connect, like it just have some sort of impact, and that must be commended. So let me know, Burritos, what you think about the lighter challenge. Wanna enter? Wanna plan for enter? Sound off below.
Turn on the pressure, make you getting numb.
Well, that is it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry social media top 10 countdown. I do hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button, as well as to leave a comment, turn on the post notification. If you are new to the channel, make sure you go and subscribe. Also to follow me on my social media at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. If you want to send me an email because you want to book me or advertise within the countdown, then I have a new email address. It is now bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. So it is bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. That is the new email address to contact me. Okay, people? Bye-bye. Until next week. Stay safe, protect yourself, and all of these things. Bye-bye.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth.